Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out a new eye look. So it's a reverse ombre cut crease eye look. So I already have all my face makeup on, and I know so many other people have tried out this look and it's been around for a while now, but I've personally never done it before, so I figured I'd try it out. And yeah, so let's get started. So basically you have a cut crease, and then your eyeliner is like lighter towards the end and darker towards your inner corners. And I'm just going to use some neutral colors for this today, so just like browns and stuff like that. For this eye look, I'm using the Morphe 35B palette. Looks like this, has a bunch of neutral shades in here. And I am going to pretty much just be using matte shades as well. But before we start out with any eyeshadows, I'm using a concealer and just priming my lids. So to start out, I'm going into the shade Image, which is a light brown matte shade, and I'm just going to apply this into my crease. I'm going into the shade Seek, which is a little bit deeper of a brown shade, and I'm applying that right over top. I'm going into the shade Center, and I'm just going to layer that over top again. Now I'm going into the shade Most and layering that over top. Now I'm going into the shade Bots and just really focusing this towards the outer half of my crease. And I'm just using a tiny bit of the shade Effort, which is the super dark color. I'm just applying that to the very outer corner of my crease. Going back in with my concealer and just cutting my crease. I'm going into the shade Shy and just setting my concealer with this. Then towards the edge of this concealer here, I'm going to go back into the shade Center and just lightly blend that edge out. So now that the cut crease is done, I'm going to go back in with my concealer, and I'm using an angled eyeliner brush, and I'm going to create a wing liner with my concealer. I'm using another angled eyeliner brush. I'm going back into the shade Shy and just setting that on the end, and then I'm going into the shade Center, applying that right next to it and blending that in. Now I'm going into the shade Seek, applying that towards the center. I'm going into the shade Most and adding that to the very inner corner of my eye. I'm just going to keep layering these colors until I get them to be as pigmented as I want them to be. And then I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye, and I'll be right back. So now that the liner part is done, I'm going to go back into the shade Most and apply that to my lower lash line. I'm just going to apply my Ardell Lashes. So now for highlighter, I'm using the Becca Rose Quartz highlighter. I'm using a small eyeshadow brush and just applying this to my inner corners and my brow bone. So for lips, I'm going to use the Morphe color pencil in the shade Crush, and I'm going to use this as my lip liner. Over top, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Nova. Looks like this. It's a nude color, and I'm just going to apply this. So this is the finished look. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video. I will have all of the products that I used in today's video listed down below in the description. So let me know what you guys think of this look. And you guys can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz, and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So be sure to go follow me on there. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!